So hello everyone, today we have Neeti Gupta with us. She has secured an All India rank under 1000 in this year's CLAT. So let's just ask her about her experience. How are you feeling?
I feel relaxed, relieved that finally it's done. Months long preparation. I also feel a sense of emptiness now because I'm not in that routine anymore, and it does feel kind of hollow. And while I was in the preparation phase, I could not wait for it to be over. But now that it is over, I just feel that I wish it had lasted a little longer because it is a really fond memory of yours. But yes, I feel really relaxed that yes, it's finally done now.
So जब result declare हुआ था, what was your reaction like?
So the result was announced in the evening around 8 p.m. and Mudit sir called me up and asked if I had checked the result. And I asked him, and I wasn't aware that the results had been announced. So I asked him what my rank was, and he didn't tell me exactly. He was like, it could be something around 600, 700, 800. It's a good rank. But I was like, I told him that I would check it up and call him back. And then I checked the result, and my mom came upstairs. Then I told her the rank. And initially, I was very confused. I wasn't sure if it was a good rank because I did expect a better rank. I worked really hard for this exam. But then my mentors told me, Mudit sir, Sarthak sir, that getting a rank under 1000 in this exam is not an easy thing, and that I will be going to one of the top NLUs of the country. So yeah, but I'm happy with my rank. I think I could have done better, but I'm grateful for what I had. And yeah.
So majorly we know that this time's paper is a bit like different because it had poor analytical in the logical section. So what do you think, like how Study Anchor helped in that sense? Like how did it help you to tackle such an uncertain paper and like such changes within the paper? So yeah.
Definitely, that is something. And now that I'm interacting with other people as well who've cleared this exam, I get that this was something that I really had an upper advantage of because all my mentors, Mudit sir, Sarthak sir, Kanav bhaiya, all of those are people who've been through this journey themselves. So they had told me that PLAT is a mental game and an aptitude-based test, and it depends a lot on what you do in those 2 hours. And a lot of people got scared by seeing that the entire section of logical reasoning was analytical, but that had something that my mentors had worked on throughout the year a lot. They had told me that the only thing that you can expect from PLAT is that it is going to throw a surprise at you, and they had prepared me for all the possible and worst case scenarios. So in fact, when I saw that the paper was tricky and weird, I was actually sort of excited and happy because I knew that a lot of people were going to mess up the paper at that point. And I knew that I knew how to tackle this paper because I had given a lot of different kinds of mocks, and my mentors had worked a lot on me to ensure that I remain strong and I don't lose my calm in those 2 hours. So that is something that I think I would have gotten only here, and that is something that really helped me in this exam because a lot of people did mess up at that point.
So yes, Neeti, what tips do you have for like the people who listen to you who want to give this paper and will attempt it later? So yeah.
So for people who are going to attempt this paper in the coming years, first of all, I would say it's very important to have a support system around you. Don't isolate yourself during this time, but it's also very, very important to have a good company. Surround yourself with people who not only positive, who not only push you to be the best version of yourselves, to perform your best at every single step, but also people who understand the situation that you're in, who you can relate to during this time because your preparation life is going to be very different from a layman's life. So it's very important to have that support system, be in touch with your mentors, with your friends in your coaching and everything. One that. Second, I would say a lot of things that you do during your preparation will not make sense. And there will be times when you will feel like I'm doing so much. Will it even be worth it? Will it even be asked in the exam? But not everything has to make sense for it to be right, and you just have to go on. What matters is that you show up nevertheless, irrespective of how you're feeling, what's going on in the background. Showing up every single day is important, and you just have to keep going on during this preparation and keep this faith in yourself that it will be worth it, it will yield you results. 50-60% काम वही हो जाता है because CLAT is a mental game. You have to make your mental aspect really, really strong in order to ace this game. तो जब आप when you believe कि you can make it up to a good NLU, a good rank, तो 50-60% काम वहीं पर हो जाता है. तो yes that. And third, I would say कि इस फेज को enjoy करना है. Don't sulk over it, don't victimize yourself for it. It's going to be a memory, it's going to be a phase of your life which not everybody gets to enjoy. You're lucky you're going to you're getting to prepare for such an exam, and you're going to have this memory for life. So just embrace it, try to make the most of it, because the person that you become at the end of this journey is also something that is worth keeping for your life, except your rank and of course the college that you're going to go. But this journey is really memorable for everybody, so just embrace it to the fullest. Bhaiya, what should I look forward to in college now?
In general, NLUs are like, they are good in the sense that you get a lot of people who are very much interested in law, who are very competitive, and they like, you'll see very hardworking people. So in general, that just pushes you. But obviously, uska downside ये होता है कि you will not get the result that you expect every time. But yes, I guess that is what it teaches you. But apart from that, maybe just look forward to the friends that you'll make, the teachers that you'll get to meet, and also lack of sleep. And yes, just getting very, the like, you're very free right now, but trust me, बहुत जल्दी when you go into NLUs in starting 1 or 2 weeks only, it just starts getting very hectic. So yeah, you can look forward to that, and it's nice, and thank you.